Guys, um, how are you? So in this today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a birth birth year birth year and age calculator. So guys, if you do not know if why I changed my YouTube channel name, because this Darkshore Tutor and my real account is Darkshore. I have moved from Darkshore to Coder Dark Falcon. In the description, I'll show you. So let's get on to this video. Okay, we'll go to sprites. Uh, go to sprites. Choose the ball. Delete every costume of it. Green is left. Change it to not a normal color like yellow, orange, and then and you just type the invite the teller, because this tells the sprite doesn't. And then you put the background red, like like light red, this color. Yep, I'm just gonna hold it like this, like it'll get. Yep, the teller all set. Now we need to. Sorry if I was silent for a sec. I'm just like concentrated in these things. So if the green flag is clicked, forever. If the which key, up arrow key is pressed, then make a new block. Program 1. Okay, and just put it on the side, and look from program 1 when up arrow key pressed. And define, if I like how to define program 1. I think I forgot the code, but let me see. Then ask what is your age. This will get your birth year. This will get your birth year. What is your age? Then say, make a new actually rename the my variable. Make a new variable called I don't remember. Wait. Yeah, rename the variable to answer. No, hurry. Age. Set age to answer. Um, and you're gonna variable answer for all sprites. Um, Also make one birth year. Then you can show this if you want to. Boom, turn this into what? Turn turn this. Okay, okay, I know what to try to do here. Okay, turn this into a large readout like this. Now just like I think here. I think here is good. Yep. Um, but but okay. Hide every variable at the starting. Age, then answer, then birth year, like a staircase. Don't move. Okay, whatever. And even the program. Like I'll just tell you that later. And then set answer to yeah, minus like minus boolean minus current year. Oh wait. Join your you were born in space. Keep the space there. It's for later. Current year minus age. This is the complicated one. And now you just add like change variable, show variable. Like when I was starting, hide also hide age, and also hide answer. And when show variable answer year and yeah, this is the first program. Probably this is the first program. Let's think. Oh, right. Say 45 seconds. Say answer 45 seconds. Okay. Well, what answer like this will say you were born in uh you were born in age, but this will say that same thing, but it'll show like this. It'll show like this. Wait, let me just try. What is your age? My age is, for example, I'm 10. You were born in 2011. Okay, good. Okay, now we need to make another program for even guess your age. So if I just can duplicate, down arrow, program one now, make a new block, program 2. Okay, this one is gonna be a lot complicated. So this will ask the opposite. What is your birth year? Set birth year to answer, then set answer to join your you are you are Um, then you add this years old, like this, and then no, like this space, and then you are birth year. Sorry. All right, I'm right. Minus current year minus answer birth year is years old. Now add the same stuff. Hide, 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 hide. Birth year, answer, answer, birth year. Same thing. Then show variable answer. Uh, say 45 seconds answer. It's technically the same thing but reverse. So get the logic. So let's see. Oh wait, I forgot to say program too. So if I am on another account, for example, let me just switch to wait. I'll just share from here. Just share. I'll add I'll add everything. Up arrow, up arrow. Program one. Down arrow, down arrow. Program two. Oh, now I'm gonna say program one. Guesses your birth year and program two guesses your age. And now this is all the explanation. I'm gonna go see. Okay, it's like my own project. It's okay. Everyone does that. I know. So I'm gonna log in into another account. 3, 2, 1, go. Logged in into another one. See, I'm just gonna go to my profile. This is my I switched to this account. I'm gonna switch to Dr. Tutor. Okay, so I just shared this one. Let's see. Okay, that's a long thing without nothing. Okay, so I'll just up arrow. What is my age? My age is 15. Okay, if I was 15, I would be born in, okay, whatever. 2006. Is that right? Yes, it is right. Is it? Okay, I'm genuinely confused. Yeah, it is. It is. And now this is the best creation, and this is the best creation. This is the best coder. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, guys, don't tell my mom. Okay, so yeah, let's check the down program. What is my birth year? For example, I was born in 2020, 2021. My wait, okay, sorry. If I was born in what? Oh, I just got down arrow. If I was born in 2000 and sorry, if I was born in 2001, I'm 20 years old. Wow. If if I am if I was born in 1983, I would be right now 38 and 38 years old. Yeah. So thank you guys and see you next time. Bye.